Hey there, folks. Have you heard the latest from Margaritaville at Sea? They're rolling out some incredible new perks for our country's heroes, and trust me, you're going to want to hear this. First up, let's talk about the Heroes Sail Free program. Margaritaville at Sea is expanding this amazing initiative, giving more benefits to active and former military members, first responders, medical professionals, government workers, and educators. That's right. If you fall into any of these categories, you could be cruising the Caribbean for free on a 7-night voyage this fall. But wait, there's more. Starting in May, Margaritaville at Sea is introducing the Drink of the Month initiative. Every month, there will be a special drink available on both of their ships. And, the best part, proceeds from these beverages will go to Hire Heroes, a nonprofit organization dedicated to helping U.S. military members, veterans, and their spouses find meaningful employment. So you can kick back with a delicious drink and support a great cause all at once. Now, let's dive into the Salute to Heroes event. Beginning May 2nd on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise, this event is all about honoring our heroes and building a sense of community among them. It's currently hosted on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander, and it's been a massive hit, so mark your calendars because you won't want to miss it. And Margaritaville at Sea isn't stopping there. They're dedicated to recognizing heroes throughout the entire year. For example, Teacher Appreciation Week runs from May 5th to 9th, Nurses Appreciation Week and International Nurses Day from May 6th to 12th, and Memorial Day on May 26th. These special events feature toasts and celebrations dedicated to specific groups of frontline workers. Christopher Ivey, CEO of Margaritaville at Sea, made it clear, "As the #1 cruise line for heroes, we believe they deserve more than just our gratitude. They deserve a chance to relax and enjoy unforgettable experiences at sea, and boy, are they living up to that promise." By now you might be wondering, what's the bigger picture here? Well, Margaritaville at Sea isn't just about giving back through these programs and events. They're committed to responsible tourism practices and supporting various charitable organizations that align with their values. So, when you choose to sail with Margaritaville at Sea, you're supporting a company that genuinely cares about making a positive impact. In summary, Margaritaville at Sea is pulling out all the stops to honor and appreciate our heroes. From free cruises and special drinks to year-round events and responsible tourism, they've got it all covered. So, if you're a military member, first responder, medical professional, government worker, or educator, consider this your invitation to set sail and enjoy some well-deserved relaxation. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bon voyage.